Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that right now gold is in love with 4150. Remember, a few days ago, gold was in love with 4,000. When market was trading around 4,000, it was difficult for us to understand the trend of the market. And right now, we have a similar situation. Okay. I won't say that we are in the same spot. No, we are not in the same spot. But yes, right now 4150 is acting as a magnet. Actually, the fault is not in 4150. The real problem is somewhere else. For that, we need to understand the market sentiment. You can see gold down as markets await Fed meeting minutes for policy direction. Gold prices fell on Tuesday, trading below a 2-week high hit in the previous session as investors look ahead to the release of the US Fed June meeting minutes for insight into new chair Kevin Warsh's monetary policy direction. Gold falls as investors await Fed minutes. Gold steadies as FOMC meetings eyed. So right now, gold is not showing us any clear trend, and the reason is market is waiting for the next FOMC. So the question is, when is the FOMC? You can see this is the economic calendar. Today is 7th of July. The FOMC is on 8th of July. Okay. So for the exact timing, check the economic calendar as per time zone. Okay, you will get the exact timing, because if I tell you the timing, it's my time. Okay, my time zone. So check the time zone in your economic calendar. Okay, and be careful, because the next FOMC is going to be important, because we had federal Fed chair, okay, Jerome Powell. Okay, he was really driving the market for the last couple of months and years, and now we have a new Fed chair. Okay, so that's why market is mostly waiting. So let's wait and watch. And before FOMC, we can expect the market to remain like this. It means the market, there's a high chance that market will remain range bound. Okay, so at the top we have 4200, 4205, okay, as the resistance. And in simple words, for market to be bullish or gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 420005. It means if you want to see gold in uptrend, it needs to cross 420005 with a big green candle. बड़े candle के साथ इसे तोड़ना पड़ेगा, तभी market bullish होगा फिर से. Okay, and until unless market breaks 420005, it will be sideways. But here we also need to keep in mind that in case gold drops 4100, listen to me carefully. Okay, if market breaks 4100, okay, then also things will be critical, because it will be again heading towards 4000, and as we all know, 4000 was a bad level. Okay, market was not giving us any clarity. So let's hope that we get at least a clear trend of the market, because as a trader, okay, what do we want? We want clarity, isn't it? So what is the trading opportunities? Not what is the, where are the trading opportunities then? Okay, so first of all, we can see that right now market is taking a minor support around 412527 during the day. Okay, there is a high chance that market will break 412527, but you can see that volume is low right now. Volume comes, so taking a sell, taking a sell below 4125 is little bit risky. Personally, I am not planning. Okay, not planning any sell position here. So what I'll suggest is that try to look for buying opportunities, because the market is little bit on the bearish side. Okay, if we just look at the current market structure here, okay, but overall market was trying to recover. So if we get a good level, then obviously we can expect at least 80 to 100 pips. For example, whereas the first buying opportunity is around 4100, the green line that we see here. Okay, 4100 is the first level where you can look for a buy position. Why? Because it's a round number. Previously market took support around this area, so 4100 is the first level. If market drops, takes support, we can look for a buy. Then we have the second buying opportunity around 4080. Why 4080? Because the previous resistance will be working as support. Okay, and as we all know, price action does a fair job in gold. So in case 4080 fails, we can look for next support around 4060. So these are the three buying opportunities on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy opportunity as a day trader. Yes, keep in mind, as a day trader only. Do not expect that after buying you can forget the market, you can be on the buy position. No, nobody can predict okay what will happen in the market. But yes, if we get some good levels, we can expect to make 80 to 100 pips here. So if market drops, okay, with similar size candles, you can expect the market to take support. If you see the market is showing support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can look for a buy position on these three levels. One level, one opportunity only. And as I have already said, okay, right now though market is taking support around 412527 area, okay, there's a high chance that market will break it, but due to low volume right now, okay, it will be risky for us to sell. If you're a scalper, if you want to score some 30-40 pips, 50 pips, it's up to you. You can look for a sell position below 4125 as well. It's up to you. I'm not suggesting, because most of you or many of you are beginners, okay, and you don't know how to scalp properly or how to exit at the right time. So be careful if you're trying to sell below 412527 because of low volume. Okay, and as I have already discussed at the beginning of the video, that for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 420005. Okay, so if market goes up, I don't think so we will get a clear breakout right now. So after some liquidity grab, if market comes down, for example, if you see the market has crossed 4200, do not wait. Do not buy immediately. Wait for the market to come down. Okay, if market comes down, you can look for a sell below 4200, because there is a possibility that before FOMC, market will go for a liquidity grab again and it will come down. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities I see on the chart of gold right now. What is the trend of the market? We do not have any clarity regarding the trend. कोई direction का clarity नहीं है, because market is waiting for FOMC. Hopefully we will get some clarity after FOMC, and check out the exact time in the economic calendar. Okay. And right now, okay, in this particular situation, okay, if you're a day trader, then obviously you know how much you should be targeting. But if you're a swing trader, okay, then if you're a swing trader, then I will suggest you not to take any position, or you can try some small trades like us, okay, 70, 40, 50, 70, 80, 100 pips. Okay, so because as a trader we need to be flexible. Flexibility is very important for survival, okay, isn't it? Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. If anything crazy happens, okay, you'll get an update in the WhatsApp group. Bye bye, take care.